All right. Hi, I'm Tommy Ray, and this is for my Kines 205 class, Google Forms and interview. Um, Today I got Johnny, who I've known for quite some time now, and I'm gonna have him kind of talk to me about just some following questions. First, Johnny, what's your name? Obviously, I already said your name. What's your name, position, and where do you work?
Yeah, so I'm a pitching specialist at Complete Game up in Quincy, Illinois.
Okay. How long have you been working in that profession?
Yeah, so I'm going on my second year up at Complete Game, and basically I'm in charge of all the pitching side of what we run up there. So we'll have guys come in, and when they're looking to get better and kind of increase velocity, and become a better athlete, and just looking to become an overall better pitcher. That's what I specialize in, and it's great to be able to work with young kids, and yeah, so I'm going on my second year in this.
Awesome. It's good to hear. Where did you go to school, and what degree did you pursue in?
So I graduated from TCU, and I actually was a geography major. Funny enough, and I ended up playing professional baseball for a number of years, and I got into this once I was done playing. So
Awesome.
really, I didn't really use my degree from TCU. Kind of used more of my baseball background to
Nice.
do it.
Awesome. Another question, just kind of more of an advice on this question. What should I focus on while I'm in school to help me prepare to get to a job? Something that kind of you're doing right now.
Honestly, man, if I were you, I would just focus on your relationships with people, and kind of your networking skills. I feel like in my case, I had more opportunities arise from being good friends with people, and kind of having positive social interactions versus for me actually using my major that I majored in. Not everybody's that case, but for me, that's what I would tell you, because it worked out in my benefit.
Awesome. Last one here. If you could do one thing different while you were at college, what would it be and why?
One thing different, I would just say probably you know do be a little bit more adventurous, go out and kind of be a little bit more of a go-getter. When I was in college, I felt like I was very focused on my degree and just what I was doing in that aspect. And looking at it now, I kind of put a ton of focus into something that nowadays I'm not really using. So, kind of I would just say just be a little bit more adventurous, and kind of take more risks is what I would have done.
Awesome. Well, John, that's all I need, man. I appreciate your time, and I'll talk to you soon.
All right, good luck, buddy.
Yep. See ya.